This is my 2007 Yamaha WR250F. Everything is completely stock. I got some ASV levers. I got some seal savers on here. And today I just purchased a White Brothers XCR exhaust with the mid-pipe stainless steel, I believe. Great power increase, very good power increase. This thing's loud too. This thing makes a lot of noise. I'll start it up for you.